Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to copy formulas. There's a few ways to do it. You can hover over the cell until your cursor turns into a plus like this. Left click and drag it down however many cells you want. But in this case there's lots of information, so I want a faster way to do it. What I do is I copy this, and so this is one way to do it. Go all the way down, do a Control V and paste it in there. But there's an even easier way to do it, is once you hover over it like this, you can double left click and it copies it all the way down to the very end here. And so that's a quick, easy way to copy down a formula when there's lots of lines to do it in. And thank you for watching.